That's right. It's country music, bro. This is my culture. You know what I'm saying? All you fucking culture vultures. You know what I'm saying? That's why you guys get removed from fucking categories, because this is our thing. This is Mayo music. All right? Michael Anthony in the house. Little Michael Anthony X Sal. Yo, check it out. I'm gonna ride my motherfucking horse down Victory Boulevard, cause my guts are hurting hard. And I'm trying to find Julio and get some bundles.
What's going on
cause my
down
fucking
here?
guts are starting to rumble.
Michael Anthony, what are you doing?
I'm fucking recording a hit.
What is this?
This is country music,
what
man.
Is this yeehaw
This is country
here?
music. This is what we do. This is mega country.
Why does it sound like chewing tobacco?
This is Staten Island. This is mega country, mom, you fucking bitch.
You're Sicilian.
Don't you fucking know?
You're Sicilian. You're the niggas of Italy. We're not cowboys.
No, fuck that.
I
rode a horse down Old Town Road. We had horses back in Italy.
Michael Anthony, listen.
We had horses back in the boot, ma.
Michael Anthony, I know you want to fulfill manifest destiny, but I need you to get out this basement and turn off this country music.
Let me tell you something. The Oregon Trail isn't the only tracks on my arm.
Michael Anthony.
I don't even know what the fuck that means when my guts hurt.
Michael Anthony.
You fucking cunt. Get out of here. You're fucking up my beat.
Anthony, I can't believe you.
I'm paying Hasan $20 an hour for this fucking session. You're fucking my shit up.
Michael Anthony, this is not...
Get out of here.
Michael Anthony, do you have microphones in the
Fuck you.
shower?
I'm gonna ride my horse down the fucking road because my fucking guts hurt. Fuck. I told you bitch. I only had 20 minutes till I relapsed. Fuck.
Michael Anthony.
What episode is this, you fucking cunt? At least be useful for something.
Episode of what? This is real life. This is not some sort of infamous podcast by some talented individuals named the Bodega Boys.
Oh, God.
I mean, it's only episode 154.
It's a fucking 154.
Someone call Julio to do the drop.
Do the fucking drop, Julio. Help. It's episode 154. I gotta ride my horse.
Gotta ride your horse to the hospital.
Yeah.
Oh, my
you know horse. Oh, horse. You know what horse starts with?
What?
H. Do the fucking drop. Let's go. I need a hot bang.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 154 of the world's most dangerous podcast in the motherfucking world.
You heard?
That's right. The only podcast where we are not legally obligated to do this. We do this out of the benevolence of our own heart.
You're welcome.
Because we have a show on Showtime. We do not need this.
Not at all.
We do this for y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
And yet y'all still complain.
I could be home right now. There's nobody in my crowd. I could be jerking off with the TV.
That's right.
You know
with the 80-inch TV.
Just rocking.
Just being disrespectful with the volume all the way up.
With the sound bar.
Okay, I'm talking about that 4K sound. You hear all the sloshing.
You know what I'm saying? You see every pimple on Shorty's ass.
I'm so disrespectful. I play the dialogue part.
That's right.
Oh my God.
Oh.
This
is how you learn English. This is the head. This is the arms. This is the This is breast. It's called titi. Let me show you.
I just have the black scene. It's just like, for so long, I was intrigued by my father's big black cocked friend. Like, this is not believable dialogue, but my dick's already out. Fuck it. Like,
yo, them setups be wild, stupid, fugazi.
You know what the worst? Nothing is worse than like high production porn with a poor storyline.
Fam.
You know, like.
Also, I don't want to be nitpicky.
Be nitpicky.
When you watch them shits and like, you know, it always starts off with like homies like making out hard body with Shorty, and then like they pan out and homie just got mad white makeup on his face. I'm like, yo, you look like you doing white face, my nigga. You're supposed to be getting your dick sucked. Can we stop down? Can we stop down?
Nah, because
and clean my man's grill real quick.
But then like you have the chance of losing the erection. So. You know what I mean? You gotta keep it going. You know, it's like when we film scenes and they're like, yo, we gonna lose the sun? You don't want that.
Here comes the cum. Do-do-do-do.
Oh, nasty. Also, shout out to like Black and Tushy. They started using They started using, and Vixen and Black Raw. They started using green screens for their vacation shit.
Yes.
I'm like, my nigga, I know y'all not on a boat.
Come on.
I know what the Caribbean looks like, nigga.
You feel me? It's
Them waves are not moving in the background.
Nigga, it's like Waves Road where they're like, we're in Delaware. And they're just like walking through.
I'm watching it, I'm like,
It's a fraud.
It's a fraud.
all right. Shit's disgusting. All right. So we've checked off Pino as is required for every episode. Up next, I guess we have to have some Jewish shit. What's going on with It's Mero and Judy? She's Rudy Tooty. She's a rude Dominican. She's a Jewish lesbian. It's Mero and Judy in Jersey. Mero and Judy is filming live in front of a studio audience.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero walks in and is like, hey, Mero.
Hey, yo. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, how you doing?
What's going on with the Mero and Judy report this week?
Hey, Purim's over, so I'm just chilling until fucking Rosh Hashanah.
When's Rosh Hashanah?
The year 5,869 or some shit. I don't know, nigga. This shit is like Star Wars to me at this point, bro. Like, niggas lost me.
Has anyone ever fact checked the Jews?
No. Niggas
I feel like just one year someone made an accounting error and they just like, fuck it, go with it.
Fuck it. You know what I'm saying?
They were like, yo, my nigga, is it really 8,040? He's like, yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I'm like, yo, can I see that calendar? Niggas like,
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
you know what I'm saying? Don't touch my shit.
According to the Hebrew, right now it is 5779.
Yes, I was off by one.
Which sounds like a failed Timberland group from the 90s.
It's a 5, 7, 7, 9.
like they made Stilo.
Yo, that was an error, nigga. When you just had to like come up with a random, you could just use your error code as your group name.
Oh.
Like, yo, we 718. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we 70. Remember 702?
702.
They had some bops.
They had some bops. One of those girls died. One was a set of twins and one died. So rest in peace.
To the one that didn't get an album produced by Missy Elliott.
Whoa, boy. Whoa, boy. What you do?
Yo.
Oh shit, Haim in the house.
Yo, shit.
Oh,
shit. Gang.
I can't see shit. There's like a light, and I'm blinded by a silver bullet. Shout out to Ludacris's area codes because.
Oh yeah, he got hoes.
How many area codes did we learn from that shit?
210, 215,
770,
770, 552.
He was like 718. I was like, oh shit.
Oh shit, yo, that sounds.
Even though like realistically it's a 917.
We made it.
What is it? It's 212 718 917 347
and 929.
I'm not fucking with no 929.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, that shit. You knew.
You knew.
You knew on the block.
You fish.
You know what I'm saying?
You got a 929 number.
You feel me?
You just moved here from Iowa last year and shit. You're like, oh my God, city bikes, they're great.
Oh my, yeah, they're amazing.
Oh my God. You never been here for no blue Metro cards.
Fuck out of here.
Get out of here.
You got that shit at Cricket Wireless.
You ain't struggle like us. You wasn't when there was one pizzeria in Williamsburg.
That's right.
All right. You wasn't an output like us.
You know what I'm saying? You wasn't calling a meal this pizza with a 212 number.
All right. You wasn't at Chicken and Waffles at La Marina while Princess Nokia performed. Where you was at? All right. Show your stripes, nigga.
You wasn't there.
You wasn't there.
You
we
was
was
at the
there.
player, yeah, with Diplo rolled up to apartment 78. You wasn't there.
You wasn't here for the Drake South Seaport riot, nigga.
That's what niggas gonna be talking about in 20 years. Oh my God.
That's real hip hop.
That's real hip hop.
Real hip hop. That's real. That's how real shit.
Yo, niggas throw chairs. Niggas throw chairs.
That's the most hood shit Drake ever did.
Throwing chairs.
Niggas was really throwing chairs. Like how? What was it? Drake didn't come out, so niggas threw chairs. Like,
yo.
Oh no, because niggas wasn't getting in, and they was like, oh, if I can't see it,
none of y'all gonna see it.
Man.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the
Fuck out of here.
Nobody seeing this shit. Fuck that.
Yo, that's fucked up, man. Like niggas were hyped to see Drake. Imagine you hyped to see Drake is hot as fuck. You standing inside the seaport, sweating balls, and you just like waiting for him to come out and be like, "Girl, baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted." You and your shorty, and some nigga throw a fucking folding chair at your dome.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. You gotta stay alert. Gotta stay woke. Keep your head on a swivel.
Yeah, that's right.
You never know.
You never know what's gonna happen.
You never know.
Oh. Never know what's finna happen in life. You might get hit in the head with a bridge chair. Put that shit on a t-shirt. You might get hit in the head with a bridge chair.
That's our new merch coming
That's a
through.
merch.
get hit in the head with a chair.
With a chair, motherfucker.
How can we get hit in the head with a chair like in a movie? Like you learn a new language, you like become romantic. Shit always there's always good. It's never negative repercussions.
Nah, it's never you just get concussed.
Okay, real life you get hit with a head of a chair.
Oh.
You end up in fucking King's Harbor.
Whoa,
on Pelham Gardens. You're a Bronx neighbor. Who cares for you? Yeah, it sounds real cool to a nigga mad frail. It's like trying to walk and shit.
My man works security there, bro.
They gotta wake you up at 8 o'clock because the little bus is here. Mero, your physical therapy bus is here.
Let's go. Today's my colonoscopy.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna stay awake.
Oh my God. They be like, yo, you get the fucking shriveled legs.
Fam. That niggas throw the little bags over your feet. The shits ain't even shoes. They're just bags with like fucking little grippy things at the bottom.
You making a wild inspirational post on Facebook like, yo, I took 4 steps today. I'm like.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, that nigga used to run, but I mean, that nigga caught one in the back, and like, then they gotta learn how to walk.
He could waddle now and shit. Niggas was cooking me on my walk in the fucking crib shit that we did for digital. They were like, yo, Mero got that, like, I used to hoop and I broke my back walk or some shit like that. I was like, that's, I mean, kind of true-ish.
Listen, as my close personal friend, Andrew Kendrick said, social media, why are you still on that? It's like, it's basically you're allowing people you don't know to comment on your life.
It's terrible. It's terrible.
Taylor Swift ain't OD on fucking.
Yeah, that's true. It's terrible. I'm about to hand that shit over to somebody. Like,
as I said, the whole point of Twitter is to become so famous. Your Twitter is only to announce projects you're working on and comedy shows
and retweet shit. Not even
the Comedy Shack.
Just retweet shit.
Just mad memes, like bland memes that already got like 52,000 retweets and shit.
Just throw the SpongeBob meme up there with no context.
Yeah.
Not even change the capitalization of the phrase or nothing.
You know what it is? Because remember when R. Kelly was like, I gave you 30 years of my life. Twitter, I gave you 10 years of my life.
That's right.
I'm fighting for my motherfucking life.
Yeah, man. Come on, man.
Happy people.
You know what I'm saying? Try to take niggas down?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Never. You know what I'm saying? We still here. Fucking clowns. How dare you? We fucking recording in a studio that has a triple X. You know what I'm saying? That means it's dangerous down here and it's very pornographic.
Rated XXX.
Yo, did Exhibit used to say that?
No, right? That was DJ. That was Cool G Rap and DJ Polo.
Oh shit! Wow.
He had like very explicit raps, but he had like the wild lisp. Yeah, and like as a fellow lispitarian, I was like, wow. But like he was like,
he's like, yo, I'm cooking.
He said something. There's no need for protection because my dick's touching your fucking ovaries, and I was like,
whoa.
I'm like 9. I'm like,
okay, sure.
I'm like, let me turn this down for my mother.
Okay, G-Rap.
This nigga doing a lot.
But he fucked me up when he's like, I'm chilling in Reno with 2 fly Latinos. I was like, cool G-Rap. Is there something you want to talk about? Like, you know what I'm saying? You want to.
Right. Oh, Latino is the masculine form? Well, I mean, you know what it is? And I say this as an English speaker, a.k.a. the person that belongs in this country. You guys went too far.
Yo, hold all these verbs.
Y'all were like, yo, we got our own language. We was like, cool, okay, tell us about your language. He was like, oh no, we have specific words for specific gendered situations. And then it was like, oh, also we made one that we don't even use, vosotros.
Yo, nobody uses that shit.
No, I think Cantanilla or some shit uses that. Like España.
Yeah, speaking as a Dominican, yo, we rebuke that shit.
Vosotros?
We rebuke that shit.
Vosotros sound like the wild problematic dance club on like fucking Grand Concourse.
You already know this shit gets shot up every week.
Every week. Something got stabbed in front. There's candles and like a deflated balloon and shit. Rico was a good kid. He didn't deserve this. Like, he was just gonna go see his baby.
Jessica Cunnington, we're here live at 12 with News 12 The Bronx. We're talking to DJ Ted Smooth, who was DJing in a salty whole altercation.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I was just there, keeping the crowd hype. And, we did the twerking contest. And next thing I know, this big girl got on stage and she was clapping her ass and then she got her ass clapped. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, we swag surfing.
Niggas start swag surfing over the body and shit. Like, yo.
He's like, yo, big man.
Yo, nothing stops the party. Nothing stops the party.
Big man in the back, get over here. Yo, do the timer. Yo, do the AI over the timer. I move over this dead nigga. Let's go.
EMS comes and like they're on the car. They're like, yo. Oh, this shit's lit. Hey. Nigga stabbed. He gets up like, I'm stabbed. I'm stabbed.
I'm stabbed. I'm hurt. I'm stabbed. I'm hurt.
Oh.
These motherfuckers some stitches.
Oh shit. Nosotros opening this summer.
You're welcome.
Nosotros is the name of the new lounge I'm going to open in Uptown. That's going to be highly racist.
Yes.
I'm not letting no brown people. I'll be like Tony Peralta. Who?
Get the fuck out of here. You designed the whole interior.
Oh, you design clothes and shit?
Oh wow,
Wow. You know Victor?
Oh wow, big deal.
Yeah, you see Victor in here? Yeah, he's not allowed in here either.
Yeah, stupid.
I'm gonna have a Bodega Boys mural, but it's really gonna be the code of who not to let in. I'll be like, if anyone looks like them,
yo, you know what I'm saying? The bouncer 6'9".
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
all we letting in is white Columbia and Fordham Road students. That's it. Fordham University students. That's right. If you got extra points, you come in with a lacrosse stick.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? With the,
Yo,
with
how
the
come
helmet.
no public school in New York played lacrosse? Like, no school I ever went to played lacrosse, but I always saw like the white boys from Fordham University on the Metro North.
Heavy.
First of all, I saw the lacrosse stick and I was like,
What is that?
Dog, what is that
How
shit?
do you use that? How do you, like, I watch the games and I'm like, do y'all practice this shit? Because it's like a baseball, you throw in a baseball with a little net, mad hard, and but then they do weird shit with the fucking sticks.
I'm gonna get the problematic light ready. Lacrosse was made because white people are naturally uncoordinated, and it's the only sport that's the only sport they can rock with. Fight me, KFC Barstool.
KFC Barstool. Yo, man, shout to KFC. You know what I'm saying? He's on a bit of a streak. You know what I'm saying? This nigga hit me up. I said, yo, fam. He's like, yo, are y'all too popping to come on our shit? I was just like, nah, not that. It's just that, we got a PR person now. Yeah. So that's how we do things.
Like, people, that sounds like the wild, like, your man in the bodega was like, yo, I need you to come on the podcast and I talk to the kids and shit. And I was like, you have to talk to like my PR agent.
Yeah.
Like, I just can't be just going on like podcasts.
Random shit.
I was like, do you provide a car and hair and makeup? He was like, we record mostly in my apartment. I was like, yeah, you know what that's called? Yeah. A dub.
That's a dub, sir.
Guess where I'm not going?
Yeah. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
It's a fraud. From that shit. But no, and then,
and you fuck around and do some shit as a favor, and then you go back 10 episodes later, and it's like, yo, gay people is crazy.
Yeah, like,
you're like, yo, what the fuck?
What podcast you got me on this shit?
I'm like, yo, let them niggas live, bro. Let them do their thing. What the fuck? Why would you got me over here looking crazy for?
Let me tell you the problem with these feminazis. Like,
oh, shit.
Today we got Desus and Mero on the I Woke podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
But next week we're going to talk about how single women are creating homosexuals.
That's right.
Okay. All right, because they don't have any strong male influence in their house, and then therefore they steam. You know what I'm saying? They boil the broccoli. When you boil the broccoli, you lose the nutrients. So now they're feeding the kids the weak nutrients. If you eat food that doesn't have strong nutrients, what happens? You get weak kids. Weak kids turn what? Homosexual.
That's right.
They break down the black family.
That's right.
All right, now stay tuned. I gotta read this ad from Stamps.com. Are you mailing a package to Botswana?
Yeah, shout out to niggas doing ad reads on the podcast. You know what I'm saying? Could it be us?
What a flex. What a flex. Thanks for Victor to dotting the I's and crossing the T's.
Don't thank me. Thank Cash App.
Hey, shout the Cash App. Da, 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 da.
You gotta add the wild like eye twinkle into that shit. Like, ding.
Shout the Cash App. Last week we gave away some bread.
You know what I'm saying?
Bodega Bucks is back.
Did it again.
We giving money for rent. We giving money for insulin. We just giving money for fun.
For bundles.
Now we're not giving out specific amounts. We're watching the legal terms.
That's right.
But we're just feeling benevolent. And we're gonna give some more out today, but the problem is when you're watching this, it already happened.
It already happened.
So what you have to do,
it's too late.
You have to build a time machine and go back in the past and tell your former self
You know what I'm saying?
be here at 1 p.m. on Friday.
Meet yourself in the past.
But then what if your future self hates you? What if your future self was like, this asshole didn't get the money?
Oh, yo, what a dickhead.
So now your future self just goes through like, yo, I'm going to build a time machine, come back and kill that person.
What if your future self, you roll up on your future self and your future self is mad high, you know what I'm saying? And you're like, yo, I'm Jesus, nigga. And the motherfucker's just like, who? Like, no, it's me.
Is that
We're
tweet
me.
that was like, yo, if you could go back in time and tell your 13-year-old self anything? What? I'm like, yo, let some grown-ass man run up on me when I'm 13. Talk about, I'm you.
I'm like, yo.
You thought?
So you know what's mine now? Your next tell. Give me the I-95, nigga.
Like, just believe in yourself. You're going to have a Showtime show. I'm like, are you going to molest me?
Fucking touch me. Fuck out of here.
Stranger alert, stranger alert, stranger danger, stranger danger. He touched me. He touched me. He touched me. He touched my little pee-pee.
Ow. He touched my little pee-pee.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance
to touch my little pee-pee.
You all right?
You know what I'm saying? I'm going to dodge every pee-pee touch.
No one touches Mr. Pee-pee. Shout out to everyone whose parents didn't teach them proper genital names.
Word.
Who's going through life calling it like Mr. Penis.
Yeah.
Mr.
If you're a grown-ass man calling it like, yo, my pee-pee.
My pee-pee.
Or like some shit like that, you got to stop, bro.
I prefer wee-wee.
Wee-wee.
Wee-wee?
Yeah. You know what's a good word?
You fancy now? You French now, nigga? Think I got the Givenchy and talking about wee-wee?
Remember, remember, to make it extra sexy during sex, call it your prick.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Sit on my prick.
You're my prick.
Sit on my hard cock.
The top 5 worst dick names: prick,
cock,
wang.
And Pino is always it's like, yeah, suck that cock. Oh man, oh yeah, that's such a big cock. Oh, I love that cock. I'm like, yo, what the?
Like, relax.
Yo, it's a dick, man.
Because most sex is just like a lot of heavy breathing, like.
Turn on, and you whispering and shit like, yo, turn on. She's like halfway hearing what you're saying, like.
And real sex is like, it's like, yo, your shit's so hot. She's like, what?
What?
I was like, nah, I said your shit's so hot. She's like, oh, cool, thank you.
Oh, dang, good looking.
Damn.
Yo,
cramp.
Take all that dick. What'd you say?
Stop, not my back. I can't, not this position, this position.
Oh shit.
I hurt my back. I can't. I was in a car accident 5 years ago. I can't like bend like that.
Back up. Can you just grab my big toe and pull it back?
This is cramping.
Yo, can you give me a banana? I need potassium.
Hold on, I gotta plug my phone in. I forgot. Nigga doing wild domestic tasks and shit. You blowing her back out while she's sweeping the floor.
Yo, son. Yo, I gotta load the dishwasher. Yo, come suck my dick while I load the dishwasher.
You look over, you like, oh, you got textbooks?
Oh, what?
Oh, you in school?
Oh, what?
She's like, yeah, I'm like going for my master's and shit.
Oh,
like,
shit.
Oh, shit. And what?
Oh,
that's what's up. Like,
oh, okay.
You know?
Oh, shit. So I'm nothing in you
That's
for sure.
good.
100%.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're smart.
Okay.
Okay, cool. You be like, yo, you be reading? Fuck that. You choke her extra hard. You like, I hate an educated bitch. Oh, man.
Shit. But hey, we out here.
You out here.
You know what I'm saying?
The problem with sex, you get to a point, like, if you've done everything possible, I always thought, like, you just move on to other shit. You just, like, it's like Call of Duty when you privilege all the guns or whatever. Yeah. No, prestige all the guns. Yeah. Now you're just like, nah, what else? What you gonna start doing? Putting, like, thumbs in niggas, like, kneecaps and shit?
I was like,
Then you start getting, like, freaky shit. Like, now, I'm at the point now I have to, like, get a house by a river and like tie a chick to like a wheel and slowly wheel her in. She can't breathe and like reel her out. And that's not fun.
Like, yo, like your porn search viewing history is like a good indicator of that. I'm like, yo, why am I watching fucking machines?
Yeah.
Like, what am I doing?
And I'm like,
Shorty's tied up with ropes getting fucked by like a robot dildo. Like, what am I doing?
I'm like, this doesn't seem well built. The dildo's all floppy.
That shit says like fucking Madewell on the side or some shit, like Home Depot shit.
I'm like, my father could definitely build something better than that. Like, this is not.
Imagine your father just finds one of them shits. He's like, this shit still works. Takes the dildo off the top and shit.
I made an ice cream maker. I'm like, no, don't eat that. It's like, you can do that like a kid's birthday party and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mero, for Mero Jr.'s birthday party. He turned it on the side, it's like.
Niggas think it's a cotton candy machine. You make a cotton candy with a double dong. Like,
all the kids are like, I'm like, no.
Don't lick that. Stop. yo, the photographer's going around like, yo, I'm getting some great shots. No, nigga, delete that shit. Give me the SD card right now.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait till I make a bouncy house made of skin.
Peter's gonna be fucking tight. You know what I'm saying?
Human skin.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Like I'm gonna have a classy party and I'm gonna invite like Issa Rae and mad people there. And I'll be like,
Come
light
bounce in my
refreshments and if you
bouncy
like to bounce
castle.
in the bouncy house.
Yes.
Come bounce in the bouncy castle.
So, bounce in the bounce castle.
If I kill you,
Bounce
it's gonna
in the
be a
bounce
hassle.
castle.
Bounce in the bouncy castle.
Bounce.
Like people bouncing around, they'll be like, what kind of material is this? And then like someone runs out my basement and they have no skin on, they're like,
Run!
and Jordan Peele's like, damn, this is good.
Damn, this is nice.
Damn, this is kill this. Fuck. I should have did that.
Yeah.
Then I got another horror movie where you wake up and your dog's on your bed and you realize you switched lives with your dog.
Oh, Loki, I would love to switch lives with Brownie. I'm like, bitch, you don't do shit. You
Yeah.
got like mad beds in the crib. All you do is eat and like lay down and
Yeah,
watch.
but then when it's
niggas.
time to switch, but then when you get bored and you're like, it's time to switch back, your dog's like, nope,
Nope, sorry.
and so now as a dog, you have to
Stupid.
spend
I'm not gonna let
the
you
rest
get
of your
the
life trying to
chance.
tell your wife that you were trapped in the dog's body, and you're trying to tell your kids, shut the fuck up, shut the niggas beating you, shut the fuck up. What the fuck up wrong with you? The fuck? Brownie Mero smoking the weed. He's trying to get the fuck away from the blunt, nigga. What's wrong with you?
I'm just shaking my ass around. Why are you shaking your ass so much?
Get out of here.
I'm happy.
Fuck out of here.
I am happy. Start talking in wild robotic tone.
You gotta watch Brownie Mero like blow your wife's back out. You're like, you're scratching at the door. That's it.
like, let me in. Let me in.
You're like, chill. I'm gonna put this dog out. You want real Freaky Friday and shit? Your wife come out the shower. You start licking her legs. Brownie, stop!
Stop. What are you doing?
What's wrong with you?
What are you nasty?
Mero, what's wrong with this dog?
I'm gonna be like, oh.
He's talking also. Apparently, chocolate kills dogs, but he just did 250 milligrams of an edible. He's not sick. He's just a little smacked.
He's playing Apex Legends. I don't know what the fuck. What happened to
How
this
did he
dog?
get a headset on?
He has no
He has no thumbs.
Yo, shout out to dogs playing video games. That's an untapped market. That's what we gotta do.
It's not so much an untapped market as it's not a real market.
It's not a market at all.
At all.
It's a market that we could create.
We sell people thumbs for the dog.
You know what I'm
sell them
saying?
Video games.
Thumb pads,
Yeah.
and then they play video games on Twitch. Yo, come on.
They don't have dildos for dogs.
Male gang is gonna love that. Yo,
Sex toys for dogs.
Sex toys for dogs.
Yeah.
Because usually they just use you.
Real dolls for dogs, and we make the real doll look like you in dog form.
Oh shit.
Because
Oh, you make it look like a bad bitch. Like that's the technical term.
who's the baddest bitch dog wise that you could think of? Like
Lassie was Lassie a dude?
I think so.
Oh.
But that could work.
Or Comet from Full House? You know what I'm
You
saying?
could also use cartoon dogs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So fucking oh shit, no, that was a cow.
A lady from Lady and the Tramp. She was like,
Oh yeah. That was a bad bitch.
She was a AKA, I believe.
Yeah. She had like the 40-inch weave.
Yeah,
bro.
that shit was sitting.
She had the Malaysian bundles.
She was
nigga.
sitting. Yeah, and Tramp was tearing that shit
You
up.
know what I'm saying?
Them niggas had mad kids in the end. Yo, I would watch a Lady in the Tramp porn. You know them niggas was getting. He was like spitting in her mouth and
Fam,
shit.
that shit exists.
He was
I'm
like, he was like, yeah, take that. You fucking,
Yeah, you nasty.
Yeah.
You nasty.
Yo, take the street dog dick.
Yeah, you nasty female dog.
Fucking. She's like, you call me a stray.
Yeah,
Call me a stray.
Yeah.
Call me a rescue.
Yeah, I'm a rescue. I'm a rescue. Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah.
He's
yeah.
like, open your mouth, you fucking
Yeah,
mutt.
you little mangy bitch.
No one's coming to adopt you. You're on death row.
Yeah.
The 24 hours they put you on
Yeah.
social media and those come for you.
Fuck out of here. We'll put that pussy in a kill shelter.
Oh shit.
Yo. Yo, son. Man.
Nigga coming to bed with mashed spaghetti. Nigga put meatballs in her butt.
Sucking the wild long pasta string on shorty's butt like,
Oh, she pulled a noodle out his dick.
Yeah.
And ex-hamster's like, yo, my nigga, you really want to watch this?
Are you serious?
On the same Wi-Fi your kids watch Paw Patrol on?
Word?
Really?
For real?
Because we got to report this. Like, we didn't even know this was on our system, but you watched this 5 times.
You know what the crazy shit is? That I'm 100% positive that there's a furry version of this, like of two motherfuckers in furry costumes.
Just acting that shit out.
In a hotel room, just banging out at a fucking Marriott Inn and Suites.
Well, I mean, you need more cartoon point. Like, imagine, like, Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
that was the first black.com.
Yeah.
Low key.
You know he was...
I think it was like an outside linebacker for the Titans and shit.
Yeah.
He's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just trying to beat that pussy up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to just wear this jacket.
It's like banging that shit so hard, like the fucking rose and the glass falls and shit.
The candle's like, sacre bleu. Mon Dieu, what they call come that big girl.
They use a condom, but it's actually a person that got turned into a condom.
He's like, no, I would not like to smash.
They're like, oh my God. And then, like, when they turn back human, he's like, I have some beefs with y'all.
Yo.
All right?
Can we talk about something?
Remember when you had me on your dick?
Yeah, look at the top of my head.
Look at this shit.
Look at the top of my head.
Remember when you stretched me out?
Look.
What's wrong with you, nigga?
Look. That was a sperm collecting tip, my nigga. Not a sperm on my head.
His whole family got turned into a box of Trojans. Papa, no.
Smashing raw, yes, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open the cheeks.
Condom, pop, condom, pop.
I mean, like, yo, 2019, if your condom is popping, you need new condoms. Because, like, I feel like,
you know what? You could have just said that without the 2019.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because it's been, like, if your condoms are popping.
Popping.
Like.
You ever fuck with a lambskin condom?
Nah. That sounds like mad, like, rich nigga shit.
Yeah.
Like, and it sounds like it kind of doesn't work either. It's like putting, like, pantyhose on your dick. And thinking like that shit's gonna rock. Like,
nigga said lambskin.
I'm like, okay.
I'm like, am I just fucking through a goat bladder? Like, what is this shit?
Can I just wrap a veal cutlet around my dick and smash? Like,
it starts heating up while I'm fucking. And nigga be like, yo, put some white sauce on that shit. Yo, who making gyros? This is the song that doesn't end. Niggas just fucking. Nigga got a lamb chop on his dick. Yo, take all this puppetry, bitch.
It's lamb chop, smash long, where kids come to smash long. Oh shit! Now hold up. Should have switched our words up a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Are you allowed to go to Chuck E. Cheese without kids?
I mean, now that they put beer in there, I'm like, yo, low key, is that that's actually a terrible idea. I was like, if you want to, like,
well, you should be able to drink beer if you're there with your kids.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. But like, what I was gonna say was, it's a good place to go. Like, if you don't want to go to a bar and have a drink, you could go to a Chuck E. Cheese and have a drink. But then I was like, nah, that's actually even worse.
Yeah,
that's like, it's like going to a bar and everybody's drunk. If you're drinking at Chuck E. Cheese, because I'm like, there's a bunch of 4-year-olds running around crazy.
Why do you like? That's weird. Like, why would you want to like look at kids?
Get drunk and
like
around 4-year-olds.
Most people don't want to like stare at kids.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, basically.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
That's how you end up on a watch list.
Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
They should make a channel and it's just like kids doing shit.
Kids doing shit? Yo. KDS. Welcome to KDS Network. Kids doing shit. This has nothing to do with pedophilia at all.
Well, look at it this way, okay?
KDS.
If you're just watching the kids, you're not out harming them.
Yo, but
then also we could get the subscriber list and just arrest niggas. Like, yo, guess what? We fell for
It's a fraud.
Yeah, so you pedophiles, get your ass over here. Niggas like, can I get the Kids Network package? Platinum?
The platinum package.
Now added Kids After Dark.
Oh shit.
It's just kids. It's just video of kids watching sleeping.
Sleeping. Oh no.
Up next at 2 a.m. Billy. Even the cameraman dropped the camera. This is a very problematic podcast.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Before we get niggas
You go to a nigga's house and just got mad DVRs. He's like, Billy. Okay, well, is this a new Showtime show? Is that Billions? He's like, no, it's a different type of show.
You put up your computer first here, you hear this. He's like, oh shit, hold on, what?
Shit. Boop, boop. That's the sound of the police. He's like, you ever watch Mero? I was like, yeah. Oh, Showtime. This is Mero, 11 p.m. on Showtime. And he's like, no, Mero at 3 a.m. I'm like, what?
Not Mero 3.
I was like, what? It's like the wild HD shit.
I'm just sitting there like, what?
I'm watching it. And you just come on smoking a wild blunt.
I'm just
like watching like. Can I get the Mero Kid starter package? Nigga got red zone for your kids.
Red zone. Oh shit, he's about to get up and pee.
There's some old pedophile listening to this. Like, go on,
go off.
He's like, is there a VR option? So we talked to Dick Wolf. He's letting us come back with Law and Order Sneakerheads edition.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? SVU, Sneakerhead Victim Unit.
Yeah, when niggas got like, when niggas got fake sneakers.
Yeah, they get you on eBay. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying?
Come to niggas' school like, those aren't like the opening scene. And someone's like, the Jordan's backwards, and it just shows us with mad tape.
Oh my God, are those Jordan 4s never came out in the velvet?
Wait till Chief LaPuma sees this.
We go and he's like, yo, what's up, bro? Yo, those are fire. Oh, wait a minute.
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
It's a fraud. Who could be making these fake Jordans?
Yo. We're going to investigate. You know what I'm saying? So we went to Canal Street. You know what I'm saying?
You know what?
I've seen this in narcotics.
I've seen this in narcotics. Let me talk to my man Ray J. He knows where I can get some fake Jordans. Yo, Ray J, what's up?
Hey, cuz. Hey, listen, man. Oh, look. So, like, boom. So, like, Issa Rae was like, hey, you don't sound like yourself. So I was like, hey, nigga, how you gonna tell me how I sound? You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? So boom, check it out. Like, if you go to Canal right there, you know what I'm saying, by the Dublin spot. You know what I'm saying? That's what they got them. They got the grape 8s. You know what I'm saying?
So you mean to tell me I came all the way down here to ask you where to find fake stuff in New York, and you're gonna send me to Canal Street?
Yeah, cuz.
So I could have just went there from the jump.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Issa Rae was right about you.
Y'all, you know what I'm saying? But hey, nigga, I got 6 Maybachs, nigga. I got an indoor pool. I got an outdoor pool. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to talk about how my sister did a car homicide. Like, you know what I'm saying? But fuck it.
Hey, you talking too much.
I'm shook night.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Introducing to the world, Mr. and Mrs. Jesus Night. My auntie's gonna be like, that's not appropriate.
That's not. No.
I remember I was at one wedding, and I'm not gonna say what part of the family it was, but when the bride came out, my aunt turned to me and was like, she looks a lot older than she says she is.
Wow.
And I was like, wow.
She's like, I seen her birth certificate.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
Oh. Shout out to my family. All very judgy.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, if like this, you have to come out to like some old corny shit at your wedding.
Yeah,
like you have to, because if you come out to like some modern shit,
it's not gonna stand the test of time.
It's not, bro. I just came out to Lionel Richie and Diana Ross. I played it safe. You know what I'm saying? Like,
imagine like the couples that came out to like, this is why I'm hot.
Yo, you feel me?
You know what I mean?
Or like little fucking like hot nigga.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Well, hot nigga's a classic song.
Yo, that's
shit. Hot nigga, you know that's.
Yo, imagine you with your girl and then you in the club and you're like, you just hear like, boom, boom, boom. This are so cute. You know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna put that shit there.
Cause like you might there's Southern couples right now and they in the Waffle House and it's like they're like what?
Oh. Hey.
That's our show.
Hey, LaQuavius. Oh shit. LaQuavius, remember this?
LaTwana.
Remember this?
This our song, remember?
Hey, 24, all my niggas.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Can a motherfucker get more boysenberry in here?
Hey, man.
Shout out to Waffle House, our new sponsor. If you would like to go somewhere where they pat you down to make sure you have a gun,
you know what I'm saying?
Go to Waffle House.
Go to Waffle House, yo.
Waffle House be hitting though late at night.
You be like, yo, let me get a stack of pancakes, biscuits and gravy, and a bump stock.
Mm-hmm. Waffle House is good. What's the white people one with the rocking chairs? It's mad scary and they sell all the
Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel,
yeah.
Which is not affiliated with Cracker Barrel cheese, which is a really good cheese.
That's very good.
It's very good cheese. Very rich.
Cheese. I use it in my mac and cheese. This is my secret.
You know what? The streets haven't been the same since French Montana stopped making mac and cheese.
Yo, French.
French.
Well, yo, you have
Even
to
though
do it.
Mac and Cheese 4 was basically like an album. But I
It
mean, like,
was.
we need
Yeah.
a new mac and cheese. We'll host it for you.
Come on, let's go.
Bodega
Let's do
Boys
it.
mac and cheese. He's
You
like,
feel me?
He's like, nigga, I get all this Ciroc money while
You
I'm
know what I'm
supposed to do
saying?
another mixtape.
Yo,
What's wrong with
come
you?
on, nigga.
Just had a song of Call of Duty with Skill Rex.
Yo, fam.
nigga.
Yo, son, I just did, you know what I did? When I was fucking Chloe, I just scammed her. I got her credit card. She don't even know. I was just a rock on her shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm at Dr. J's right now getting lit. You know what I'm saying? I got 5 Pelés. I'm like, okay, French.
right.
Do you aspire to? He got mad like thotty deals on the side though.
He
Shout to
do.
him.
He's smart.
Shout to him.
Yeah, that's what we gotta do. Cause I'm trying to get us like deals for shit people wouldn't expect us to get.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm saying,
for Grace's cock soup.
Yes.
go.
Yes. You know what I'm saying?
That's big.
I'm ready to do
We
the
got
flat
the
tummy too.
barrels.
Facts.
Barrels. You see like the
Facts.
wild billboard of us send
Oh my
a
God.
barrel home. Like shit like
yo.
that. The sandals like our fathers wear.
Yes.
Those things.
Need those.
Wigs for Hasidic women.
Yes.
Nigga Nova. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Niggas
Show
thought
that
it
dick
was
print.
You know what I'm saying?
Show,
Like,
that,
yo.
show that DAC.
You know what I mean?
Let them know what you working
You
with,
feel me?
daddy. You know what I'm saying?
I haven't done a sit up since '99, but you gonna see this fucking midriff.
Also, the pants lift
You know
your
what I'm saying?
cheeks. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas want to see a nigga with a firm butt.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. We got special underwear that pulls your butthole apart if that's what you're into. Special shit that like lift your balls.
Yo.
Cause you never hate like I feel it's time for like men to be harassed like women. Like I want when niggas wear nigga Nova and they walk through the club like
And
bitches like
yo,
slapping their asses and shit disrespecting.
You just walk
Yo,
into
come
the
here,
club,
thought.
shorty grab your dick, like,
Yeah,
yo.
come here, you fucking thought.
Yo, you hold, let me see that mule, nigga.
Yo,
What's
you,
up?
Yo, you stacking. Let me see what's between your cheeks, bitch.
Oh, word?
Oh.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Damn, nigga. You got a gun on you?
A chick just run her hand through your butt and smell it like, ooh,
Yeah,
damn, that shit right. That shit
damn.
right. Be like, oh, you tell security's like, if you didn't want to get harassed, why you wearing nigga Nova?
know
We're
what
like,
I'm saying?
nigga Nova for the thotties. It's like a free phrase.
Just because I'm wearing nigga Nova does not mean that you can approach me and grab my balls.
Yes, it does, bitch.
Straight up.
I was like, oh shit.
Yo,
Oh,
what if
shit.
it gets mad cold in the club, nigga, all of a
Like,
sudden?
fuck that. I mean,
Then you just like...
no, we have like a special mesh shit that holds your nuts, but it stays warm. Shit. It's like heat. It's like a steam check kind of shit.
Yeah, I got that 8-inch in my romper.
That's right. That's right. You know how it's state property used to have like this little thing for your blunt?
Yeah.
We got a special thing you put your dick in.
Keep
it.
your dick warm.
Keep your dick right there.
Yeah.
But it keeps the bulge out. The women know.
Yeah.
They know about the girth.
It's like a little electric like that fake ab
And
stimulator shit.
yeah, just keep, every now and then it pulses your dick. Just keep that shit, keep the blood flowing.
You have the boy, your dick is straight jumping in your romper. Your dick taking drink orders and shit like. Like, yo,
shit.
let me get a Henny on ice. And what about you? I have 2 Coronas. Like, damn, nigga, you double fisted, nigga, holding 2 Coronas with the each ball.
Oh shit! We're gonna have basketball shorts with the built-in absorption in the front for after you get the wild domey. You just don't have to wipe the shit off. For nasty niggas.
You know what I'm saying? She lick my balls after I play ball. Okay, y'all? Hear what I say, y'all?
She like them salty.
You know what I'm saying?
Salty nuts.
Yeah.
Salty nuts is what I'm eating.
Yo, we coming up with jingles and commercials all day, bro. This is a content farm, bro.
A content
Like,
farm.
you niggas are lacking.
Matter of fact, some would even call it a content creation camp.
Wow!
I didn't pull it off for the first try, and there's a reason why.
Yo.
Actually, that's the other operating title for BuzzFeed.
BuzzFeed's like, yo,
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
chill, keep it low.
They're like, by the way, fill out this poll to find out what type of banana you are. I'm like, why would I want to?
Why would I do that? Because
then
that's
I
what we've been doing.
But then they have some shit like, fill out this poll to find out what Top Boy character you are. I'm like, all right. Oh, first thing is my social security number. Okay,
Okay, all right, fuck it.
39775220. Oh, mother's maiden name Johnson. Oh shit. Shit. Credit score 750.
It's a fraud. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
Social banking number. Oh,
Shout to CUNY, because I swear to God, that's how I got my identity stolen, bro. Because CUNY makes you put your fucking social in everywhere for everything.
well, College of Mount St. Vincent when you first they changed it clearly. Also, Manhattan College as well. Before
Shout
they
to the
changed it,
Jaspers.
your login was your first name
And your social?
the last name, the first letter from your last name, and your password was your social.
Like, come on, my nigga. Like, how easy? That's a layup for anybody in financial aid office. Like,
For anyone casually watching you enter your computer,
feel
and then
me?
people would not log out. So I'd be on other people's accounts and shit, doing all types of shit.
And they don't give you the full keyboard. You know what I'm saying? So you could just be like, they give you the little tiny shit that just has numbers on it. So like, it's just like 1, 7, 5, 6,
And
5,
that was back
5,
before they
3.
like replaced the number with asterisks, so you could just see it out. And I'm like,
Fam, hello. You try to click the little shit that says like show password and the shit don't unclick.
they need to come up with new technology, and in order to log in, you have to like press your ball sack against the tablet.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm
Secure,
saying?
ball secure.
Ball secure. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? We out here doing
When
it.
you make like a wild Amex purchase, and they're like, "Yo, is this really you?" And they're like, "Please put testicles on the thing."
Yes.
It's like, denied. You can do it with your phone. They'd be like, "Hold on, you in public." They're like, "Oh, sorry, you have to prove it." Like,
Oh, okay. I hold.
like, oh, shit.
It's like, oh, denied? Oh, you know what it was? Oh, I just beat my meat like half an hour ago.
give me a second.
They're a little light.
They're a little musty. I wasn't wearing my nigga Nova.
My nigga Nova. Nigga Nova.
You on a date? You got to pay with that ball secure shit. He's like, your
That's
your
a
balls
low-key
have been rejected. You got like another card or foreskin or something?
I was like, damn it. Do y'all take foreskin?
Oh yeah, we take foreskin.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, bet. Let me scan it. And then Shorty just looking at you the whole time like,
Oh, he's working with something.
okay. Maybe I'll go home with this nigga.
I knew what it was as soon as he came through in that scammer suit and that nigga Nova. Nigga Nova for niggas.
Yo, he got that big dick energy.
I just want a big billboard that says nigga Nova for niggas.
For niggas. Well, it's in fucking rompers. Like, yo,
Sup,
with the wall dick print.
and neon. It's like, brant.
It's one of them animated shits and the shit just come up at 12 o'clock. Wheelie down the block. Cackle 12 o'clock.
Nigga Nova sagging. Big dick flagging. Put your girl away cause I'm hot like a dragon. Nigga Nova now. Sorry, we can't sing. I'm sorry. That's very problematic. We don't fuck with snitches.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah,
fuck with
true. Yeah, no, Stitch. Yeah, Stitch gay. You know what I'm saying? You feel me?
Recipes Nippy Hustle, killed
That's
by a
right.
snitch, killed by a hating ass nigga in the hood, which every hood has. Some nigga that you stepped on their foot in like 7th grade and they just harboring resentment for 10 years.
Exactly.
Waiting
Because
for
you're
a
a
moment
clown.
to kill you.
You fucking clown.
Yeah.
You know what you are?
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
You know what I'm saying? Just dumb.
Just
Just doing good things for the community. You have to take him out the game. You fucking clown. You coward. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. The hood gonna handle you. You can't walk around. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So,
You know what I'm
you
saying?
know what I'm saying? I'm not saying, but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If I just seen a homie happen to get clapped in front of everyone, I'd just be like,
I don't think people get clapped in front of everyone. I don't know much about California, but I'm gonna.
you got
I'm
clapped
gonna-
by a fucking kale juice?
I think if you get clapped in front of everyone, that's like a domestic terrorism or some shit like that. Like they're closing down the government. It's not a C-town, my nigga. No one's ever got clapped and in their bag was deer antler. It's just not how it go. We gotta reshoot the last scene of Boys in the Hood. As me and you, we coming from Erewhon and shit.
It's like, yo.
I got like some very expensive like coconut juices and shit.
Yo, I just got mad flaxseed bags and shit. Like,
Nigga pull up in a Prius, we don't hear it.
be like, yo.
Nigga's like, yo! Yeah, I was like, oh, it's an electric. We didn't hear you pull up. It's an
My
electric
fault,
car. It
yo.
doesn't. It's not ice. It doesn't have
What's up?
internal combustion engines.
Yeah, so also I got 2 60-pound bags of flaxseed. I'm trying to get to the car. What's up?
Nigga's like, yeah. Nigga pull out a gun and shoots us with tote bags. Save the environment, assholes.
you fucking
Vote for
clown.
Bernie, and they drive
Yo.
off.
The tote bag goes around my neck. I'm like, yo, what's the tag?
Stay him up.
Coming out of Subway.
Keep him up. Keep him up. Nigga carry you to half of the kids don't gotta say this. The kids don't got. You just got like a bruise on your neck and shit. I'm rubbing mad homeopathic oil and shit on you. That's why you die.
That tea tree oil. That shit just seeps into my neck, into my spinal fluid.
Like he didn't make it. I was like, what?
Wow.
Niggas killed my man off a toe bag. They was like, nah, he didn't make it because he never got vaccinated because his parents were anti-vaxxers.
Yeah, you know what
Nigga
I'm
caught
saying?
measles and died.
That's right. I ain't vaccinated my kids
To this day.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas getting polio. Fuck that.
For the record, though, if you're Jamaican, you rub Ray and nephew on your kid's forehead. That's
it. Also, shout out to my Dominicans. You know, you bumped into an old school Dominican when they have like the wild. I don't know if this is just the Wild West Indian thing.
It's like the cut. It
the,
looks
the
like
little circle scar.
Yeah, that's right.
I was like, I don't know what disease that was for, but that shit looked hurt like it hurt.
That definitely, you know that vaccination worked. I'd just like to point out we didn't have vaccines in Africa.
You know what I'm saying?
Living.
Teach these devils.
Okay, we didn't need vaccines in school. The white devil came
Teach these
through.
devils.
And you know what it was? Because it was when slave owners, they never washed their hands when they sneezed.
That's right.
That's right. You can find out more in my new YouTube series called Pyramids Are Just Mother Africa's Nipples.
That's right.
We have a Patreon.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? When we reach our goal of $50,000, I'll release episode 2.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Only on.
It's showtime.
You know
That's
what I'm
right.
saying?
And I have a foreword from Professor Martin Luther Mero, Professor of Africaology.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
At Bronx Community College.
All I'm gonna do is just come and be like, I'm blickety black and I'm black, y'all.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying?
He's teaching a lesson on
That's
how
right.
that Munduro, aka plantanos,
That's right.
are also a fixture in African culture.
That's right. Learn something. Open your third eye, decalcify your pineal gland. You know what I'm saying? They've been trying to divide us. You know what I'm saying?
To this day.
You know what I'm saying? But we gotta stay united.
But then I also find out you have a YouTube channel that's wild anti-black. I have no idea why you're running it.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
You're making it hot. You're making it hot.
Like, what is this shit?
I'm trying to double dip, nigga. I'm trying to get into Breitbart and Afro Punk at the same time.
Oh shit. I was like, we just found out about Professor Martin Luther Mero's anti-black YouTube page, and because of that, he is being put on 2 days suspension.
Sean King writes an article about me and shit.
They're doing a wild pro. I'm like, yo, he's tenure. I can't get rid of him. Can't get rid of him.
Your man Malik No Seeds, weed with seeds. Be like, yo, it's fucking Dominican.
He's a Dominican. Dominican, the weakest Avenger.
Yo.
Okay? They run in to fight Thanos. He's like, De lo mío.
Yo.
Dominican, get back in the car.
Yo.
Get back in the car.
You're a Dominican raccoon. Be like, stop.
I steal garbage.
Yo, hey.
Hey. Okay, Dominican.
You left cow food out. I'm going to eat it.
He's like, look, Captain America. That's a head of lettuce.
Hey, Poppy, you want to eat it with me?
It's like, that was cool. Like, before half our friends got killed.
You know what I'm saying?
Thanos, why would you take Spider-Man and not Dominican?
You know what I'm saying? What the fuck, man?
Thanos just laughing like, good luck with that, superhero.
He's like, keep that raccoon stupid.
He can only get his raccoon powers after smoking hookah, so it's like you have to drag a hookah onto the battlefield and shit. Thanos is fucking everyone up. He's trying to light the coal.
Yo, if niggas mad nervous, P.O.'s trying to light the coal and shit. He's like, yo, I need silence.
We need Dominican.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
I'm sure, yo, come on, stop.
You got the little raccoon paws. You got, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
There you go. Dun, da, 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 da. Niggas start throwing feces.
It has rabies. He's
Yo,
rabies.
I'm gonna buy you. I have rabies, motherfucker.
That's the poster. Is like, he's no fucking baby.
I know
He
fucking
definitely has
baby.
fucking rabies.
That's right.
They're back to back.
Yo, remember in Spaceballs when they had John
Yeah.
Candy playing Chewbacca?
Yeah.
Get P.O. to play the raccoon. There you go.
Oh shit!
Bang.
Wow.
Blockbuster. Blockbuster. That's what you get over here.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one. Dominican
You know what I'm saying?
coming to theater soon in IMAX.
You feel me?
In IMAX.
For
For $45 million opening weekend, but sadly it's Dominican dollars, so it's like $20.
It's like, oh damn. Oh, well, you know what I'm saying? We can cop a Camry. You doing big things out here. You know what I'm saying?
Recent allegations have popped up against Dominican for his statements against Haiti. It's like, fuck.
He's like, oh, it's a raccoon over here, and then they was over there. When they come over here, you know, it's different thing because we have a country because it's a raccoon.
Why would Dominican make these comments during the press room for Dominican too? Starring Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson, the Venus X. I was like,
what?
I'm like, what the hell?
The Rosa Parks story starring Scarlett Johansson.
She's like, DK, listen, like, I'm the first Dominican here uptown.
Yo,
and like you know, it's hard. If you excuse me, I'm gonna go get a wash and set.
Pero, like, I am going to get a wash and set. Also, yo,
I'm Dominican.
like,
You can tell that because I'm making mofongo.
Yes,
and like
I'm going to
Presidente.
Mofongo. That's right.
So like,
hello, like
you know the vibes.
You know the vibe.
You know the vibes.
Vibrations. Also, I am a waitress at Mofongo House on Broadway. Thank you. Like, I'm official. I'm not Scarlett Johansson. Like, I'm totally in character. Like, also, like, I don't know how to light a hookah. That would be the fucking saddest shit ever. They get her to play a hookah girl, and she's like, I don't know how to do this. Then they got to call Theo in as a fucking hookah consultant.
Do the wild romantic scene. She's like, no es amor.
No, it's obsession.
Hey, would you like to hear some Aventura?
I was like, isn't that the nigga?
You want to hear Avenue Tora?
That's the nigga that played. Is that's the nigga that played for the Mets? Or,
no, that song No Es Amor, like no more. She doesn't even call it No Es Amor. She said the
she's
English
like
one.
no.
The song No More Love.
No Es Amor when you got it in the guy
when the more hits you all like a big pizza pie. No Es Amor.
It's obsessione.
Picture it, 1958, Arthur Ave, a Dominican story, a plot to know and love. This is played by white people. We're like, who is this?
Yo,
Johnny, I'm an Italian. You're a Dominican. We can never be together.
It can happen.
Oh.
Yo, the next shit was an Oscar. Like, beautiful tale of racial unity. It's amazing.
I remember that summer.
That was lovely.
I was walking down Arthur Ave.
Yeah.
You know what it is. You know the vibes.
It's a whoopie.
It's a whoopie. And then I seen her. I seen those yeeks from behind.
Oh, man.
She looked like a big fucking avocado, and I wanted to split her in half and put my seed in her.
Listen, I wanted to spray my powdered sugar all over those Zeppelis, if you know what I mean.
I told my man Sal, we're riding in the back of a 57 Chevrolet.
Jesus Christ.
I said, pull to the side so she knows I'm not a scrub.
Yeah.
I said, hey, you fucking sexy spick. What's your name?
Hey, what's your name?
And she turned and she
probably
said,
like Maria, some shit in it.
She said her name was Yesenia.
Yeah, that's right, nigga. My name is Yesenia. What's up?
What's up? I could have owned you 10 years ago.
Excuse me?
Yo, what are you doing on Arthur Avenue? We don't like the darks on here, but I know the inside is pink, so what's going on?
Let me tell you something stupid. I'm on my way to hang blood. What is you doing? What you doing?
Wow.
Excuse me. Also, you got mad fucking gel in your hair, stupid. You look wild, stupid.
Wow, never in my wildest dreams had I ever had a woman talk to me like that. It made my little peckerwood get hard.
That's right.
All I wanted to do was take her to the malt shop and play jukebox music for her.
Look at you, fucking little dick, nigga. Yo, you took me to this fucking whack-ass malt shop. They don't even got fucking Daddy Yankee on the jukebox.
What are you doing tonight?
Shit is fucking corny.
I want to take you to the Copa.
To the what?
The Copacabana.
Is Romeo there?
No Romeo.
So I'm not going there, nigga. I'm going to the fucking...
Whoa, you can't call me nigga.
Nah, fuck out of here.
Whoa.
Nah, nigga, shut the fuck up because we're going to United Palace because Romeo's there. And you paying, nigga. And I'm going to kiss Romeo in his mouth in front of you. I don't care. Say something.
I've never been talked to a woman before. She was so fiery and hot. I had to have her. It's called our new movie Platino. That takes place in the Bronx.
It's just mad derivative East Side Story.
It's literally that. It's just literally that. Oh my God! You can't come up here. It's Tremont.
Oh my God!
And her brother Carlos doesn't like him.
Yeah,
but he's a Trinitario.
Oh,
wow! That movie just got so fucking dark. And by dark, I mean this block before you people moved.
Yo, damn! I just threw up gang signs. You gotta blur those.
We don't got a blur budget.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, I just realized blurring and mosaic and all that shit, like that shit takes rendering time.
Oh,
and yeah, it's just not that easy.
I thought it was just like Photoshop, like cloning.
Photoshop is easy. Video is not so much.
Damn,
like,
that's terrible.
Yeah.
Damn. So how do these niggas make those GIFs so goddamn fast?
Well, GIFs, I mean, you just is video capture, but if you want to like add shit, like you gotta process shit, nigga. It's a process. Everything's a process.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Teach these
Shout out to
devils.
Showtime. They got real computers, unlike other networks that were doing shit with a fucking 486 Pentium computer.
Yo, niggas had us on the fucking dude. You're getting Adele joints, like
niggas was like, listen, can you get off that? I know you're using Mavis Beacon teaches typing, but right now we gotta render some graphics for the 4 o'clock show.
Yeah. So can you stop doing the typing version of House of the Dead? And
I was like, why does your processing software say unregistered? 10-day trial.
What?
For the nigga, these are actual episodes that are going on air.
Fam, why are we writing all those scripts in text edit?
He's like, hold on 1 second. He's like, Final Cut Pro, Node, key code generator.
Key crack.
I'm like, what's this shit?
Cracked Pro Tools.
He's like, hold on. K7. Oh shit, turn off the Wi-Fi before I enter these codes. For my hacker niggas. Yo.
Before you hear that.
Nigga like go into settings, date 1/1/1968. All right, try it now. Okay,
do it. Save it.
All right, cool. You won't have all the functions, but you can still save it.
You still save shit. Yeah, we lit. You know what I'm saying? Make an album bangers, nigga, with shareware.
The best thing ever was the Fruity Loops being limited because you know how many shitty beats just never got saved because niggas wouldn't pay for that shit. Listen, and this is another hot take. Niggas making bad beats and Fruity Loops are more dangerous for the community than STDs.
Yeah, you releasing this shit on SoundCloud, fam. You don't even know what you're doing.
A STD is like at least at somewhere the process stops. At some time,
you take a pill.
You take a pill. Someone gets exposed. You make a shitty beat, then a shitty rapper gets on it, then you upload it to like a shitty SoundCloud
that shit. Lives forever,
just
bro.
goes forever. And then like your shitty niggas hype you up in the club. Your club appearance, the club only holds 27 people. And it's you, your aunt, your girl's mother.
You part of a showcase where you gotta pay to perform.
Where it's just 5 shitty rappers and you performing in fucking like Trenton.
It's a fraud.
Yo, I pay $150 for this, so y'all niggas come out, but also bottles is $100.
Like
I'm like, wait.
You just doing the beautiful mind math and yet, like
shit. Yo, if y'all know the word sing along,
you know what I'm saying?
All my real niggas get your dicks out. Yo, all my real niggas get your dicks out. We got your bricks out. Yo, real niggas get your dicks out. We got our bricks out.
Yo, this is DJ Bust Your Gun. You know what I'm saying? Number 1 DJ in New Haven.
Let them know.
Give it up one time for my man Miliato the God.
You know what it is?
You know what I'm saying?
Gang over here, Fendi gang. You know what it is?
You know what I'm saying? Oh, yo, give my man a warm Connecticut welcome, y'all.
Yeah.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Yo, y'all mind if I do some new music? So it's like, yo, we don't know y'all old. We go, okay, whatever, man.
We don't know none of your music.
This new track is working on called I Really Kill Niggas. Yo,
check it.
I really kill niggas. I really killed that nigga on Tuesday, February 23rd.
Yo.
In front of 323 Johnson Avenue. I shot him with a 45.
That's right.
I still got the blood on my Timbs. On 20 below. His name is Robert Johnson. He lived at 774 Elm Street. I shot him over a drug deal gone bad.
Yeah, that's right.
I actually have evidence of it on my Instagram if you would like to check it out.
That's right. I'm indicting myself. Word up.
It's whatever.
Yo, if you scroll down 2 weeks later, I also robbed Julio the plug.
Yo, shout out to my man DJ Mero. He bought me the guns. He illegally straw purchased them in Delaware.
Yeah, that's right. I came down in the Civic.
Yo, thank you. Thank you, y'all. We be back next week. Be sure to catch
you know what I'm saying?
Yo,
thank you.
We burned some CDRs if y'all still got like drives that play CDRs.
Yo, we got merch as well.
This one nigga sweeping up like, yo, y'all done?
Y'all finished?
Yeah, I gotta fold up all these chairs.
Come on, stop playing, yo.
I don't know. Y'all bought like there's an ice sculpture shaped like a Glock. Y'all gonna take that home, or should I just let that shit melt?
Can I just use it as the ice for the bar?
Yeah,
is that cool?
Y'all, you know that's what's up. Also, the 6-foot hoagie, like y'all eating that? God, it's like my lunch break. I'm calling home.
Can I have it? Like, was that on your rider? Oh, y'all niggas don't got riders.
Y'all got riders.
Yo,
we got riders. We got rider dyers. Nah, shout out to all my niggas out there rapping. Stop it. Grow up.
Get a life. Get a wife.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But it's gotta be hard to be a rapper because you were like, oh, I'm the best rapper ever. And like, you know,
you have to say that.
You have to say that.
You cannot come in a rap game and be like, I'm an okay rapper.
But put it this way. There is a moment when Jared Dudley walked to the gym and saw LeBron and was like, hey,
listen,
that ain't me.
That ain't me.
That ain't me. No disrespect to Jared Dudley. You will drop 50 points on me.
Absolutely.
Off the rip.
Off
I know
top.
that. But, you know, at least you know.
Yo, Jared.
We know what we do. Also, Jared is tethered Mero from us.
Think about it.
Think about
you know
it.
What I'm saying?
Wow.
Think about it. Think about if I never got hit by a car, I could be getting like a solid 8.5 minutes off the Brooklyn Nets bench. You know what I'm saying? Hitting open corner threes.
You enjoyed NBA life. Mero was on East Tremont in a steam check. He's coming for what's his.
That's right. That's right. I could have been in us. That's right. Yeah. Oh wow, Mero snaps on the 1 and the 2. He's tethered. Look, Jesus has a bunny. Niggas like, why is she going down the? When she was going down the escalator, I was like, is she on the A train? Is she just talking?
Yo, that shit reminded me of that fake Joe Budden gift where the nigga tries to slide down the thing and just
falls all the way down. Us spoilers.
Yo,
Made no goddamn sense.
You know what I'm
But
saying?
you know what? Shout out.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Jordan Peele. That proves the black community, we support people.
That's right.
That's right. Because the thing is, you don't see people on Twitter saying us is bad.
No.
Everyone's like, either they're just like, it was good, or people talking about something else.
You know what I'm saying?
And that's how you do it. Because what has the black family taught us? The best way to deal with problems internally is to ignore them and not talk about them. That's right. Aunt TT got a drug problem? I'm not bringing that shit up at Thanksgiving. That's none of your business. How about that?
What?
How about that? Is it my fault she nodded out while she was making the mashed potatoes?
Listen, no.
She woke up and now her wig is askew?
Listen, fix the wig or keep it moving. If you don't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all.
That's the third nigga cousin Tanya brought to the family reunion.
Straight up.
She's not playing.
Maybe her pussy's broken. You know? They never bring their last kid because the last kid is ugly.
Hey, you know what?
Hey, these are the real things.
This is the 5th year that Sandra has showed up with her friend Yvette.
Don't judge them.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't judge them. They be going on vacation together.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at their photos from Essence Fest.
They're really good friends, right?
Why only one of them wears a skirt?
It's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud.
What nigga said, why only one of them?
Be coming through in the wild fucking scammer jeans and shit. I'm like, Auntie, why your friend got the same jeans as me? And she's like, because both of y'all dress inappropriate for your ages. I'm like,
Wow. Okay. Wow. That's how you feel?
She's like, if you actually watch Jordan play, you shouldn't still be wearing Jordans. I was like, wow.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Wow. All right, it's time for all the married people to eat. Just make it man high at Thanksgiving.
Like, oh shit.
Yeah.
That's the perfect thing. That's the best thing. You gotta have like at least 1 or 2 cool cousins that are like, yo, Sean, let's go out.
Going back,
Let's go
down.
back real quick. Like, same before, yo, they putting the food out. Let's go out back real quick.
That's why I love about my family. Is none of that. Like everyone's like straight to the face, just say rude shit, and you're just like, okay.
Oh,
right.
wow.
See, I can't really say rude shit about me now because like.
They don't want to fuck that bag up.
I'm like, oh, you know what? You got on demand? Okay, I on demand. You play Desus Mero. How about that?
How about that, stupid?
Or my new flex is like have it at my apartment because all the artwork is shout out to you because all the artwork is like pictures of me and you. And now I think about it, it looks like the wild homosexual couple. Might have to work on that.
We like, yo, Andy Cohen is.
I know my super is like, yeah. He's like, why? We your husband? I was like, what does a husband mean in Spanish? You guys are so witty. He's like, they like Bert and Ernie.
Oh no! Yo, shit.
You see like a picture of you with your wife. He's like, oh no.
Look at him. He's.
Someone make a movie about that, about how you think me and Mero are like soulmates, and like you keep trying to break up him and Heather. Nigga breaking your house, put mad lipstick on your bed and shit. You're like, She kicks you out. You gotta come live with me, and the person's like, it's working.
Then you just come home one day. You're like, nigga. There's Dutch guts on the floor.
It doesn't work, and like the LGBTQ community is like, this movie is outrageous and upsetting. We are boycotting. Rashad Robinson is like, yo, Jesus, I thought you was cool. I was like, yo, fam, I need that bag.
I need that bag, chill.
Yo, they made Joanna, man. We can make this shit.
Come on, we can make this shit, nigga. Remember the fucking Adam Sandler movie with Kevin James, and they were like, yo.
Yeah, for the insurance money?
Yo.
And then Wild Proud Mac at the end, I'm like, I'm pregnant. They're like,
yo, my nigga.
Yo, fam, come on.
Yo, come on, stop that.
Shorty, Cynthia Nixon is like, this is egregious.
Niggas got that.
We are boycotting the Bodega Boys.
You got that insurance money, though.
Coming to Summer's this time. The Bedroom Boys. Ow. It's like me closing the blinds. It's like, ow. Will they or won't they? Julia is like the agent from the city trying to like investigate. She's like from the IRS. She's like, they can't claim both deductibles.
They can't do it. They can't. I won't let them.
That'd actually be a good movie.
Then she finds one document and shit. She's like, "This is it. This is it."
Got him. I'm like, "What are you doing? Like, we are in love." And she's like,
It's a fraud. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
"Oh,
shit.
I need to start wearing the maxi pads on the nipples and get a little hot here. If it gets this hot and it's like April,
Yeah, summertime is gonna be. Summertime is gonna
but in
be.
summertime we're gonna be camo shorts.
That's right.
So that's it.
Yeah. Also,
We're gonna do it wild West Indian style. No shirt, mad powder on my neck.
I've been meaning to pitch this to you as an idea for
I'm
the
with it.
summer, like as a promotional thing. Of course, the camo shorts all summer. Maybe we take it back to the white tees and camo shorts and like foams.
Even better, we're bringing back the 5XLT.
Let's do it.
You know what I'm saying?
The Taha joints from the
if
square.
if your shits don't touch at least your knees.
Nah,
I'm talking about them long shits.
Yeah.
I'm talking about them tall t-shirts. Have your girlfriend ashamed to be outside with
then
you.
you got to pull the shits up when you sit down on the train because you want to get your shit wild wrinkled and dingy. You feel me? Yeah.
Out here looking like Simon, Alvin, Theodore. Yeah. We are just the hood rat boys, hood rat things with hood rat girls. I got guns and he has krills. On East Street, I'll keep it real. We will fucking slash your face if you're in the wrong place. I am moving all these cheese. Come on out to the skate key.
Yeah. Get robbed for your fencing.
The Chipmunks in the Bronx. I was like, you never saw that shit in the 90s? What that shit?
That shit was lit, nigga.
Alvin, I got my Sauconys and my Derby. Get ready.
Yo. I mean, the only episode of Alvin and the Chipmunks I ever remember is the one where Alvin had like a bully in school or whatever.
Yeah.
And there was a dude that was a ballet dancer, and he was just like, "Yo, how you gonna teach me how to beat this nigga up? You a ballet dancer? Ballet dancers are wild pussy and effeminate." And homie was like, "Nah, I'm not. I'm actually mad strong." And then he bent like a steel pipe in half. I was like, "Okay, is that part of like ballet training, nigga? You got to bend the steel pipe in half? Are you fucking Rick Steiner, nigga? Like, what the fuck?"
The only episode of Alvin and the Chipmunks I remember was when
the racist one, the ooh ee ooh ching chang.
No, that was racist shit. That was racist shit. No, remember they had the three female chipmunks, Brittany, Jeanette, and Eleanor.
Yeah.
Do you remember when
Jeanette was bad? Was Brittany the bad one or Jeanette?
I think Brittany was a bad one, but one of them you could see. I think. Yeah, they were. I mean, they were all kind of bad. I mean, they probably were like kids. But, do you remember the episode with Dave? Like their owner went away, and like they had the wild the
wild orgy.
Simon was like, "Yo, y'all trying to be Crips?" And it was like, "Yeah, but we're not trying to do no work to get in." And they had like they trained them in.
Oh yeah, that was wild. Yeah,
because they were trying to teach
they
about like,
they
were trying to show against gang violence and shit.
Yeah,
and they felt mad bad at the end. It was like, damn, like we gave it up to be Crips.
Yeah, there you go, boom, you ruined your childhood.
There you go.
Hold that.
And her name was Critney.
Critney. Yo, Simon didn't do a lot in that show. Like, and I thought he was gonna be like the Donatello out of all of them and be doing like making radios out of coconuts and shit. Like,
I mean, what's the trajectory for being a chipmunk? Like, what is
what's the life expectancy of a chipmunk? Like 3 years? It's like less than an NFL running back.
Wow. Actually, a Siberian chipmunk can live 6 to 10 years. An Eastern chipmunk is mad weak and pussy, and they die after 3 years.
Look at that.
Oh, you knew that off the rip.
Look at that.
What are you, Dr. Doolittle or Fairlaw?
I just be.
Let me find out you coming from Brother Nature's spot and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
This nigga showing like, this nigga not even showing like real animals. He's like, yo, over here we have a very rare street cat.
Yo.
Look at it.
Look at him. He
eats birds.
He got a little bell so he don't kill birds. Sad. Wow, I put on the Wild Fugazi British accent, just Peppa Pig accent. Like, look at the bird. He's flying in the sky. I hate him because
that's a pigeon, fly. Nigga.
I can't.
Nigga, that's a pigeon.
Oh, wow. So?
This channel's mad weak.
Well, you know, I mean, if you would mend your eyesight, maybe you could learn something.
Wow, I don't even know what that means.
You coward. I'm with the Queen of England. Yo, why Peppa Pig always with the Queen of England? Like, you're not popping like that.
Like, she just reach out, she right there.
Right there. She pull up immediately. Like, no, you're not popping like that, Peppa. Get the fuck out of here.
That's why Americans have a bad view of England, because we learned it from Peppa Pig and,
you know what I'm saying?
And the Cheerio commercials.
That's right. You watch Peppa Pig and then you think you could just call up Obama and the niggas just come to your crib and play dominoes with you. No, that's not how it works. Obama's not gonna come stomp in muddy puddles with you.
That's true. I don't think Secret Service is allowing that.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
So we were stomping in these puddles, huh?
Sir, we have your galoshes. Would you like to put them on now or later?
It's episode 154.
Yes.
We finished it. It's Bodega Boys.
That's
you know what
right.
it is. Live from Milk Studios. We could keep going.
La leche.
This is a layup for us.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
feel
saying?
me? We got the
other
good
podcasts,
content for next
y'all had to
week.
study for a week to come up with content. Niggas is just talking.
You know what I'm saying? We just come
Talking.
pull up, just drink mad random mix.
It's like
out
Kanye
shit.
said to me. He was like, "Your voice is the instrument."
You know what I'm saying?
He never said that, but you know, it's cool.
But, yeah,
he actually was like, "You sit on my wife, dog."
Yeah, hey, dog, my wife is pregnant, dog. You might injure the fetus.
Yo, it's your boy
saying?
Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tyrio.
What?
We got clean up and now.
You know what I'm
Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go! The clean version.
You know what I'm saying?
Where I'm hosting the Teen Choice Awards. Chris Apple. Wow.
Yeah. There's a lot of layers to that story, and they're coming out slowly but surely.
Somebody might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanas with Rondo, Mil Novaceta Evete, Ecuador, Nueva York, Mikel going off the Juve, Boss MC, Look Gungo P. Best soup ever, Gunga P soup. Pulling up for 40, which is Shorty.
Yes.
Which is Shorty right there, and I'm pulling up for 40. And you know what? I don't hit the shot, I'm still walking out the garden. I don't care.
That's right.
Gonna hit Foley's, have 2 drinks, and then finger popper in the back of an Uber. AKA, don't talk to me in the back of the Uber.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
You know what I'm
Talk to
saying?
me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. I'm not here to make friends. And
No.
you know what? There's mints right there. Why your mouth stink? Smell like a mouse went to the back of your mouth and died.
Oh, you told the joke? Shut the fuck up.
The reason why +1 got +1 so don't make a fuss. These are Rossi and them Jamaican Jew. Like my man Mero said earlier, Purim's done, and
what I'm
now we're
saying?
waiting for Rosh Hashanah.
That's
I heard
right.
she's a bad bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Rosh Hashanah to the stage.
You know what I'm saying? What's up, ma? I got
You
some
know what I'm
cheese and
saying?
some ham.
Take your wig off.
Be nasty and mix the
Yeah.
two. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Jermaine Avocado toast Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Oh, he's dead. Young Chakuni without the Kuni, a.k.a. Chili Lamone. Left-handed reliever for the Yankees. KLOK. I threw out 1 pitch, now I'm on the disabled list.
To this day.
Ah!
You know what I'm saying?
3 phone Joe, Jesus, X Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond's label. Dilute.
3 times.
3 times.
You know what I'm saying?
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurries. Yo,
You know
shout out to
what I'm saying?
Fonte, shout out to Questlove, because y'all nasty Pinot
you
niggas.
nasty motherfuckers.
Y'all be on some nasty shit.
Yeah.
Nasty shit. Hey, DJ Woolite, aka listen, Watch FM. Up next, we got
Oh, shit.
Straight Sugar Hill. You know what it is. AZ and Miss Jones.
What?
Miss Jones. Miss Jones was Charlemagne before Charlemagne.
Yes.
Everyone was amped off for AZ because he was on Illmatic. Remember
Yes.
that? His first album was banging.
Fire.
He had
Don't
another
die?
Quiet Money. Like, he got some shit. You know what I'm
he got
saying?
some shit, nigga.
But the problem was he came out, he would always be in the shadow of Nas.
Yeah.
And
that's
people didn't
dope.
realize that. They thought it was a good look. It wasn't.
Also, Delomere personnel. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to AZ. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
He's Dominican.
He's Dominican.
Yeah, shout out to-
He's Dominican.
You know
So
what I'm
even
saying?
though he has a secret wash family. The here we go. He's sponsor.
That's why he didn't blow up because he had to pay for his secret family. and shit.
Exactly. He's the Robinson Cano of rap. The Bronx Celine Dion, rap Ray nephew's nephew. The Moreno, you cannot contain her. You human memory with the jaw. Young Aaron, the racial provocateur. Henrik Budcoach. Nelson Bandela, Sergio can't see me. Vladimir Buffin, the human word melting in your mouth. Mr. Baxter took it to Ricky Tiki Squabi. Greg Popovich, more stage with Chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi, not Magabi.
But I got the cucumber.
You know I got it. It's right here, ma. I'll put it right inside you. The Jews are pressed with your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of news. The
See?
Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Casanova. William 8 10 5 10 10 $10. Forget the small change. Give me
What you need?
big money wine.
You know what I'm saying?
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one. Top left, man's
Yo, Marv, yo.
Shout out to my secret family. You saw them on the Instagram.
Yo,
Their hair's a little more natural than I like it,
You
but I
feel
have to
me?
talk to the mother.
They're leaving comments like, yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Yeah, don't cheese me, bro. True Risotto. Holy cow. I'm at the money store. Would you like a subprime mortgage you can't pay back? All right, let's go.
All right, let's get it.
Mr. South Point, all I do is count checks and jerk off, and I don't even do that anymore. I got someone else to do it. Both of those for me. Woo! David Yurman. If you're going through a divorce and you would want expensive jewelry, holla at David Yurman.
You know what I'm saying?
If you want to be the wildest Jew at the synagogue when you pull up in your Tesla.
You know what I'm saying?
Holla at David
you
Yurman.
Pull up with your chain swinging
You
like.
want a big opal ring? David Yurman.
That's right. He got you.
He got you.
You know what I'm saying?
David Yurman. These are expensive. These are red bottom. These are bloody shoes. These are driver shoes actually for my Tesla as I go to the supercharger.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
Smokey, no, I'm still playing basketball somehow. Andrew Cooney.
In Memphis.
In Memphis.
God damn.
All that's in Memphis is Baby Back Ribs and Al Green.
That's right.
That's it.
And Justin Timberlake beatboxing in his house.
Right. Don't be so afraid to. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to expose Janet Jackson's nipple.
And she's going to take a little heat for it.
AKA the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down upon me, Charger.
Yo.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze, and I also have like 20 points off when you buy food. And also, would you like to help a...
Do you have a Petco Pals card?
I do.
Yeah.
Let me punch in the phone number.
Gang.
They're like, would you help to help an adopted animal? And I'm like, well, low key, my animal is the one I adopted. So by buying the food, I'm helping that adopted animal.
So
Nope.
Sorry.
Yeah, the topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. You know what it is? Shout out to Finger Poppin' Megan on a non-peak train at 1 a.m. after a Rangers game. Yeah.
Who?
Yeah. AKA Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. You might get swiped.
Yeah, motherfucker, don't get swiped out here.
Yeah, you know what it is. It's your man Dead Eye Deez's Morning Sheriff. Gonna go to that old country road one more time.
You know what I'm saying?
Cop a couple of blunts.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
Take my horse and
Then go home and beat my meat.
That's right.
That's the name of my horse. Beat my meat.
on spank bang. I think it was spank bang map.
I got a bad connection buffering. I got a big old erection and I gotta leave in about 5 minutes and I got a nut to give.
You know what I'm saying?
And now I'm looking at some fucking pre-roll and I got that nut and I'm ready to go and you don't know about these scenes and oh shit, it's under 18. Oh shit. The black Asiatic, oh shit. Mr. Chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Do people know what Craftmatic beds are? The Craftmatic adjustable bed.
That's right.
For like if you hurt yourself in the hospital, like you need that bed lift you up and shit.
Like, yo, did you enjoy your hospital stay?
Yeah.
Do you want to take the bed home?
Yeah.
We got you.
Here's my coupon from Kings County. Kings Harbor, excuse me. Oh shit. Mr. La Marina and the Mesh Marina. With a fresh misdemeanor and a code Dominican. We're reopening La Marina. I don't care if I gotta dump sand in front of my building.
That's right.
And invite 4 Dominican women there to smoke hookah. It's gonna be the same experience.
And I don't care if you niggas roll up like
It's a fraud.
Why you making it hot?
you're still gonna do it.
Why you making it hot? What did you gain from that? The sheet mask, illa. No one could be killer. The
You know
human
what I'm
Excuse me.
Yeah, you good. Get that juice.
Take your time, baby. The personification of a Jerry curl because that drip is out of control. Woof.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas trying to talk spicy about the fucking drip on it.
You know what I'm saying? You know what it is? It's
I'm not
me.
gonna let you get the chance.
You know what I'm
It's
saying?
me, the Black Zach Morris, the Port Morris, aka a problematic bait. It's not a secret family if you don't support them, and the only time you see them is on Instagram. Oh shit, graduation. Like. Wow.
Yo, you did that, my nigga.
Yo.
Thumbs up emoji.
Niggas just pop up like, yo. Yo, shout out to having a son for 6 years has been the biggest blessing of my life. Man, niggas in the comments like, you got a son?
Yeah.
Up next we got who?
Yeah.
Mero.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Cock your guns,
Pow,
cock your
hold
cocks.
on, you know what I'm saying? I know you niggas see me on the fucking social media blinds, talking crazy, front lines. Yeah, niggas battle of the bastard status, you know what I'm saying? Coming for all the maggots, you know what I'm saying? And I'm saying that in a larval sense, not in the sense that you trying to think of and trying to throw me under the bus. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I secured the bag. The bag is secured. Suck my dick. You know what I'm saying? It's your buddy K Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab,
Dab on
aka
him.
Curve Gotti, nigga, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? We out here, nigga, sound clashing, aka Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? Jump the curb, hit your fucking cocker spaniel, and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not, because my car got paper plates, nigga.
You know what it
what I'm
is?
saying? Shit got dealer plates. I'm taking this shit right back to fucking Mawa Honda, nigga. What's up? I ain't no fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. I'm coming into this club. I don't care what you
Fucking
think. You know what I'm saying? And there's no need to check the motherfucking guest list. I am the guest list, nigga. I was one of the fucking racist crows in Dumbo. Remember them crows?
Well, I've been done seeing about everything till I seen an elephant fly.
Hey, that's right. Yo, matter of fact, yo, bouncer. Yo, don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's fucking car keys out his pocket, B. Stop playing.
Wow.
Yo, stop. Don't forget your fucking hands on me. Yo, Jimmy, go punch this nigga in the head, please, yo. I'm not with this shit. I'm gonna go sit in the back of the car while you beat the brakes off this nigga. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Great friends. You know what I'm saying? How many of us have them? You know what I'm saying?
Friends.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, the
Ones that
song
you
Friends,
depend on.
a lot of people don't realize it was about crack.
Oh, shit.
Like, if you replace Friends with crack.
Crack.
How many of us have them? Cracks. Yeah. You hear that
Ones
beat?
you
It's like,
can't depend
you can
on.
literally hear him sparking up in the background, like, boop, 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 boop.
This shit is some ivory. Goddamn.
It's actually Mother of Pearl.
AKA CC Dab out here.
Dab
know what
on
I'm saying?
them.
You know what I'm saying? Tapping out on the live. AKA getting to the shmoney and this schmuck because your boy Goldman Schmirrak. You know what I'm saying? AKA, you know what I'm saying? I bought Toys R Us because they went out of business, you know what I'm saying, on a short sale just to open one up and put mad toys in it so my kids can run around and feel free and enjoy life. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year.
Dad
you know what I'm
of the
saying?
year.
Hold that.
Hold
AKA
that.
Ben Smack Beyond Boy, AKA Diego Metadona. You know what I'm saying? Niggas had grants back in the day, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna say too much. AKA Dick in your baby, tell me, you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Okay. Bring me 20 goats and they better not be bony. You know
No
what I'm saying?
bony goats.
No bony goats.
None.
You know what I'm saying? Or we kill you like we killed Major D. That's right. Yo, R.I.P. Major D, you know what I'm saying? The Deacon Cow. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I feel like that was a bat, like, damn.
We didn't kill him. He just died from
He just died kidney
life
failure.
and shit.
Yeah, nigga died from kidney.
Like
How
that
long-
nigga was drinking OD and
Like,
shit.
yeah,
Like,
that had to
nigga was
be.
like, he's in the slaughterhouse drinking mad Presidentes
Like,
and shit.
yo, what are you doing?
He's like, I'm gonna die anyway. Well,
Fuck, I don't
fuck
care.
drinking water.
I don't
Fuck that.
care.
I don't give a shit.
I don't care.
With my family, huh? With my
Nigga.
family in the Arby's. I got nothing to live for, nigga. Fuck this.
Fuck all this shit.
Fuck this.
That's why I'm making wine out of my own feces. I don't
Nigga
care.
come all the way from fucking Iowa to come to New York, and y'all nigga gonna turn me
Fuck
to White
outta here.
Castles and shit. Nigga gonna eat me and shit me out. How
No.
kind of life is that? Fuck
Wow.
y'all. Fuck y'all niggas.
Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all
I'm
niggas.
off this.
Fuck y'all niggas. Yo, roll up again.
Oh, is this a window? I'm out of here. You know
Peace.
what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Take that for data, you know what I'm saying?
Not to interrupt
motherfuckers?
you, but you know it was definitely a Dominican worker that came and found he was not there. He was like, ay, 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 la boca, la vaca.
Ay, la vaca. Move. Se fue. Move. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Zantana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. Then the cops wake me up and ask me questions. And I'm just like, where am I? You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dykeman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies and ask me how all my family is doing, you know what I'm saying? And they're like, hey, you still got beef with Judy? And I'm like, nah, man, it's just kind of like a running bit that we got. You know what I'm saying? So while I am having that conversation, Steven, why don't you just put my fucking D-vein shrimp in the fucking bag and keep it moving, stupid?
I thought it was
You know what I'm
Jeremy.
saying?
I thought it was Jeremy.
Is Jeremy
Is
now?
this a different worker?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Jeremy. You know what I'm saying? I can't remember your name because you're a fucking peon. You know what I'm saying? You're holding up the line of Trader Joe's, dick. You know what I'm saying? Fuck you. Get out of here.
Yeah,
Keep
give it to him.
moving. Yeah.
You tell that retail worker what's what.
Yeah, that's right. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you wanted to talk spicy? I'll Cat Williams this whole shit.
Wow.
Fuck out of here.
That's a reference.
AKA Romeo Santos, you know what I'm saying? So Zanny. Let me black out. You know what I'm saying? I don't care, nigga. I would lick your titty's body parts that you don't even know how to pronounce, nigga. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't take anatomy class, I will fucking lick your titty cervix on stage. I don't care, papi. I'm nasty. And you always see me in Chelsea boots. They got the elastic on the side. You feel me? So I can slip them right off. You know what I'm saying? And step on your titty's face while I nut on her. Because I'm a nasty nigga. You feel me?
Wow.
AKA Lightning Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for?
Is it?
I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got five.
How you don't got five, dog?
You know what I'm saying? Come
How
on.
you don't got five?
Wow, you blew up the whole shit. You blew up the whole situation. You fucked it up. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brazier, girl got my balls deflated more than Bobby Crafts, dog. This shit is wild, B. You know what I'm saying? Shout to Toaster Head, you know what I'm saying? AKA Field Ass Tyson consensually exploring cosmos out here, you know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy, very first nigga to tap out on live, you know what I'm saying? Did it before Dex, you know what I'm saying? Check
Wow.
on that dude, you know what I mean? AKA Frino Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zaniel Bedingfield, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get some steaks. I gotta get some steaks. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Joe Hookah, you know what I'm saying? I dare you to smoke with me.
Where at?
At Mama Sushi, you know what I'm saying? And if you ask me for flavors, my nigga, you know what I'm gonna tell you?
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
You getting that strawberry shisha, so fucking shut the fuck up, B. Ain't no mint. We ran out of mint. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Dump.
My hands are gifted. I heard Mero talking spicy on the internet, but I'm not getting involved in that shit because that nigga's clapbacks are lethal. You know what I'm saying? And I'm a neurosurgeon, but even I can't fix my face. Like, to absorb that type of abuse on the internet. I hope he's not in Twitter jail. Free my homie. You know what I'm saying? AKA, open your fucking medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. Oh, you know what I'm saying? AKA, Rico Sabroso. AKA, this Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Come on, listen, man. This is absolutely a gram of cocaine, man. Why would you need to weigh it in front of me, man? Just wait until I leave and I have the money in my pocket, man. Come on now. This is not good business, man. Come on now. Come on.
Lucius.
Hey.
Justy's here for his meeting.
Oh, so I'm definitely getting the fuck up out of here. Man, listen, man, I'm also doing a movie with Ice Cube about children that's very whimsical and morally good. Man, oh shit, I'm out of here. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down.
Shut it down.
You know what I'm saying? We got you know what I'm saying? We got Di in the back, we got Victoria in the back, butt naked back in the podcast. You know what I'm saying?
We do not have our female employees butt naked, backing up anything.
Or in any state of undress.
All right?
Ever.
What's wrong with you?
Ever.
All right?
Fraud into fraud into fraud.
All right? We do nothing but respect women.
That's right.
And when Mero opens his mouth, all we say is,
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
AKA live from Yankee Stadium McDonald's bathroom, trying to tie you off in peace. It's the East Stream on Stevie B doing his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Titi is Sucking and Spring Love. Come back to me, cause it's warm outside and I can lean on the benches. You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, mate, I say this every episode, it's not sinking into you dense lads. You know what I'm saying? There's only 2 rock stars left in this millennium, mate. You know what I'm saying? It's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, fighting with a broken bottle of beer. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail, you know what I'm saying? AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, browsing tech stocks, making solid investments. It's your boy, Bormello's Anthony!
for 3.
Bang! That portfolio's hitting, nigga, goddamn. Yo, if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than B-roll from a Tekashi music video, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just like eating sunflower seeds and shit and like spitting them on the floor, nigga. Respect my motherfucking agency. Approach me like a fucking earthside mammal, dog, because I might react erratically and hit you with a paw across the cranial. You know what I'm saying? And concuss you. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's birthday party after it's actually over. That's the finesse of the year.
Hey, that clown's a sex offender.
I mean, only in Missouri.
Get him! Grab him!
No, please don't. You're not getting your deposit back. Hi, my Uber's outside. Bye. Yuck, yuck. AKA, so fade to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That nigga is high off. I don't even know anymore, dog. There was just like a white bottle under my fucking kitchen cabinet, and I just put that shit in there with some Sprite, and this nigga's drinking the shit out of it. I think he's having a seizure, so let me go check on him. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la fucking pista, coño, que fue, llegó este FIFA, coño, tú sabes que es lo que conmigo, yo no le paro nada, huevo. Yo no suelto tu jeva, loco, que yo estaba a tomar una guira, yo la desriengo, manín, te la mando en 4, ¿oíste? You saying, nigga? Muchos me tienen dema, pero no son de nada, ok, so bájale algo, loco, para no raparte con el cañón, mamá huevo, you know what I'm saying? Yo tengo pila de caja muerto de coco. You know what I'm saying? I went to Coco, my nigga, and I bought pila de caja muerto para la competencia, you know what I'm saying? Y como siempre, shout out a Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Shout out a Showtime, la casa, you know what I'm saying? Y como siempre digo, mi gente, shout out Los Smith. Si usted no tiene cuarto, coño, quédate en tu casa y deja de estar hablando checha en Twitter, hablando mierda, ¿ok? You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Hasan Insane, el número 1 que pone la fucking nota, loco. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Basti, Jubilee, shout out Dímelo, shout out Broqueta, el clapi capitán, coño, ese maldito gordo del diablo. And, you know what I'm saying? And shout out to mi presidente Pío, coño. La secretaria de defensa, activo en el meneo. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Ken is on deck. You know what I'm saying? Make it day. Yeah.
So 154, you know what it is. Shout out to Cash App for giving us that money to give to y'all. Shout out to Milk Studios, Jam Room allowing us to cook over here. Be sure to check out Showtime. Jesus and Mero, the number one show on late night. Ratings getting better and better every week. You know what it is. Number illustrious guests, Issa Rae, Diddy, Vladimir Putin is whatever we have, whoever we want on our show. We do what we want.
Bronson,
no, we say Prince, and there's no censor, so we be saying pussy and shit like that on that.
And dick and titty and fuck and shit. All that.
Say all that.
You know what I'm saying?
I might even say Dago.
You know
all right, check it out.
Holla.
We out.
Peace.